Hey, this is Jim coming at you live with another segment of TheRealEstateExpert.Online. Thanks for joining me, folks. Today we're going to talk about tax breaks. If you don't have a small business, what are you doing to take advantage of the tax advantages that we have in place? Well, a lot of people, all they have is the interest that they're paying each and every year on a property. Well, what are you doing if you don't have a property and you don't have a business? It's very important to have a business so you can take advantage of the business tax write-offs. It's crucial. The one business that I'm involved in, and I'll share with you a little later, is in the travel, health, and beauty industry. Who doesn't want to travel and see the world? Who doesn't want to look good and feel good? Everybody does, right? You'd be crazy not to. I'm going to introduce you to a personal friend of mine, Courtney Epps. She specializes in taxes and shares with us how to save every penny you can and avoid high taxes and start getting Uncle Sam paying you to travel the world together, right? So thanks for joining me, folks. And again, my name is Jim Sakalis. I'm the Real Estate Expert.Online. I'd love to see you subscribe to my channel, and please chime in below with any comments that you have. I'd love to hear from you. And without further ado, here she is.
Hello, my name is Courtney and I'm with OTB Tax. I'm going to share with you today why you've made the greatest decision that you could have ever possibly made for your family. Some of you have already been told that you're crazy for joining the direct sales industry. See, I had people tell me the same exact thing. I had my friends and family tell me that I was nuts. But the thing is that I knew exactly why I got into this industry and why it was so amazing. My mission is to partner with your leadership and to help you be successful. There are 4 benefits of being in this industry. The first is income opportunity. It allows you to make money on your own time without a boss. The second is mentorship. The mentorship is amazing. What you find in this industry is people who are willing to help you without you having to pay them any money, and to teach you how to build a business so that you're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. The third is business skills. So most people believe that it takes money to make money, but what it really takes is the skills to learn a business and understand how to grow that business, and you can learn that here through the mentorship as well. The fourth is tax benefits. So this industry allows you to get involved and not only make money, but you also save more money in taxes. We have found on average that a person saves between $4,000 and $8,000 a year just by joining a direct sales company and attempting to earn an income. So the IRS is going to allow you some massive tax deductions if you're attempting to earn an income. And what does that look like in this industry? One is sharing your product or service. You just signed up and you're excited and you want to share this with your friend. So you call your friend up, you go to lunch with your friend, you share with her your idea, and the great part about it is whether your friend joins you or not, it's still tax deductible. So you just saved money regardless. So the second thing is going to trainings and events. And trainings and events will allow you not only to learn, but it also allows you the deduction. So if you are doing a webinar, if you're going to Las Vegas to a training, you can take your family with you, you can go to the event, you can go on vacation all at one time, and you're allowed massive tax deductions for that. So here's the 4 benefits of being in the travel industry. 1 is have fun and make money at the same time. Now, who does not want to do that? 2, access to wholesale travel and vacations. Now, you probably joined a club because you couldn't afford to go on a vacation, and now you can. 3, you get to make the most amazing friends while you're on vacation on the beach, having a great time, and you get to surround yourself with like-minded people. So 4 is that your vacations now become tax deductible, because if you are sharing this idea with people either through social media, if you're sharing it by calling them on the phone, it doesn't really matter. But if you're sharing this information and you're in the travel industry, you now can go on vacation and it becomes tax deductible. Like us on Facebook so you can learn how to make your life more relaxing and less taxing.
Wasn't that awesome? I mean, she is amazing. She hit it out of the park. Again, if you don't have a business, let's get you enrolled. I'd love to get you to join a business that I'm affiliated with. It's called The Secret. Yes, it's a secret, folks. Shh, don't tell everybody. But below, I'm going to have a link where you can chime in and learn more about the business. And even if you don't travel or you don't want to buy anything for your nutritional value or your skincare, just take advantage of the tax advantages. But traveling the world and getting personally developed with personal growth and developers and vacationing with extended family, that's a bonus. That's a bonus. So thanks again, folks. And until then, make it a great day. Bye for now.